those in hard copy and she'll key them in, or your guys can do them, whatever's convenient. But remember what I said before, Narelle's your secretary on all of this. So all you need to do is, you've got a forklift here, you guys can determine what's the severity of using that. I'm going to pick up and drag, but what's the severity of that and what's the frequency?
Yeah.
Okay, it works there. So what will happen is, as you're talking through your different hazards, what's the type of hazard? It is a forklift. What's the reason for identification? Because it's plant and equipment, and you need to identify plant and equipment hazards. And what's the actual risk? Well, it could be crushing or multiple injuries. So what's the severity of that? Could it be fatal? Well, yes, it could be. If you get squashed under a forklift, it could be fatal. So what happens by then moving these bars across, that one doesn't want to move, does it? By moving these bars across, the system will automatically then collate in terms of your highest risk hazard down to your lowest risk. Okay, so that's not something that you need to do on day one, and it's not something that you need to do in a hurry. That might be an exercise that takes place on a piece of equipment by equipment by equipment. So you might say, okay, in March we're going to do that Xerox down there. In May we'll do the guillotine, whatever the case may be, and just